Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we have a terrifying new update for millions of Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Actually, probably for every Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Now this update has to do with AI. The tentacles of AI want to access every corner of your data, and it's going to be up to you whether you want to allow that or not based on your needs. So let me show you exactly what is going on and what you need to do. So the update has to do with Gemini Google Assistant. So here's my Google Assistant right over here, or Gemini Assistant. That's the AI assistant built into the Samsung phones. So you can either launch it by pressing and holding the button, or you can just access the application. And then when you tap on your icon on the top corner, you are able to go into personal intelligence, okay? And when you go inside, you're gonna see this option known as connected apps. So when I go inside, look at what's happening over here. Google's AI, Gemini, now has the capability to be able to access your Samsung apps. Now, it had this capability before, but now it has been expanded. Now, you can see from Google, these are the Google apps right here, okay? So if you want, you can give access to Gemini AI to access your Google apps, which might make sense. But with the Samsung apps, it's a little bit different. You can see it has the ability to access Samsung Calendar. Now this is existing, and it should be probably turned off because Gemini AI can now see everything in your Samsung Notes if you enable this, okay? And I'm just doing this to demonstrate. It can access your Samsung reminders, but with the latest update, it now has the capability to even access Samsung Gallery. So all the photos that you have in your Samsung Gallery, if you tap this button, you are able to connect Google Gemini to Samsung Gallery, and boom, now Google AI has access to all your photos. And as far as I know, by default, it is turned off. So you can check that just to be safe. But if you don't want this enabled, you can simply turn this off. It is going to be up to you whether you want to do this or not based on your needs. Some people appreciate the features AI brings to the table. Some people think it is too intrusive. But let me show you what this allows Google AI to actually do. So look at this. I can now say, search for photos of a kid on a car in my Samsung Gallery. It is connected to Samsung Gallery.
I asked Samsung Gallery to find photos, and it found 7 items.
And it was actually able to go in and pull photos of a kid on a car just like I requested, okay? So what that means is it is able to go into my gallery, search the entire gallery, and feed me the request I submitted, okay? So now you want to ask yourself, do you want that? Do you like this option or you don't, okay? If you don't like this option, you disable it. If you think that's a nice feature, you enable it. So again, go to Gemini, okay? And this is something you just want to double check anyway. And then, like I said, go tap on your icon here, and then go over to Personal Intelligence, and then tap on Connected Apps. And from here, I want you guys to review every single thing here and disable or enable what you don't want or want. Now, I think it's pretty safe to enable Gemini connecting to Google apps like these guys right here, Gmail, Calendar. I think that's fine, okay? But again, it's going to be up to you. I am just a little more wary about Google being able to access my Samsung apps, okay? Calendar, Notes, Reminder, especially Samsung Gallery. I don't want Google having full access into my gallery. It says access and manage items from Samsung Gallery like your photos and videos. Share parts of your conversation and other relevant info with Samsung Gallery, which may be used to improve its services. And it says right here, your Samsung Gallery data may be shared. Okay, so it's going to be up to you. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think and what you did. If you have any questions, also drop them down below. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.